how to sustain the winning mindset was the first question, ma'am.
Yeah. So, ma'am, for sustaining, basically, we all are responsible, right? Again and again, I go back because the children at a young age do not understand anything what is happening around it. So, sustaining the positive mindset is, again, you need to be a role model for it. Automatically, it will spread, it will be sustained. Okay, so you need to have that around you. You need to model it for your child. You need to, as you rightly have said, like every time now people speak, they need to think about it, what they are going to speak, right? So sustaining is something which you want to make sure that it happens regularly, or it becomes a part and parcel of your life, right? How she was saying, Daji has given this kind of an inputs, or your master speaks to you, right? The similar way, you parents need to understand that if you want to have that sustainable approach of growth mindset, or you have to say bye-bye to the fixed mindset, you need to develop that culture.
So working on the thoughts and also communication. And having said that, ma'am, we all are humans. We will make mistakes. It's okay. Don't take any guilt. The moment you
Correct.
realize that, yeah, this mistake was done, it's okay. Accept that as your very own and, choose to not do it again. Right, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Because
Definitely.
when we take guilt, we start brooding over it only. And that
Yes.
doesn't help.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's why consciousness is very important, no? Consciousness.
Right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And also these heartfulness techniques, they basically give you that intuition that before doing something, I mean, something is going to be wrong, immediately before that only your intuition will tell you, your inner voice will tell you, no, this is not the right way. And this is one of the offerings by Brighter Minds. We work on decision making of children. Many children who are in sports, they need to decide very dynamically, very fast. One decision wrong, they can, lose on the complete tournament, complete game, right? In chess, one decision wrong, you will lose, right? In every game. But how to decide wisely is, done by Brighter Minds practically, joyfully, through different activities. So it's a wonderful program which is available online, ma'am, and also in person. And I highly recommend this, Brighter Minds program to each and every, not only child, but also teen, youth, and adults. Because this will give you that, wisdom to decide wisely before going wrong. So that makes it better to sustain. I mean, gives you more, power to sustain it, willpower to sustain it.
Definitely, ma'am. You need to know right kind of a medicine or right kind of, things to be injected. And that is what I feel Brighter Mind or the Heartfulness does it. So parents, if they visit to the website, they will come to know. Even when you share the links with them, they will understand that. Because it's proven, it's a research-based program. And this is something which, the schools or the universities cannot help. Okay, because that is completely in an academic programs, right? But this is something which is for life. This is something which you can once learned, it becomes like an asset with you to drive yourself. And the parents need to give, you give less clothes, I mean to say, less comfort to the child, but give this tool to the child will be benefited throughout the life.
Throughout life. It's an investment in skills of the child. And also one more thing contributes, the kind of people you are around. If you are, with people who always eat samosas, I'm missing samosas today. So if you are surrounded with people who always, love samosas, one day you will eat samosa even if you are very diet conscious.
Yeah.
So choose right kind of people, and that is why this decision making, this intuition process is very important for children, not only children but for all of us. So I have shared this link, ma'am, this WhatsApp group for parents, because we have created this community and we want to, keep interacting with each other, support each other, so that, we remain in touch with these things, because we know everything. As parents, all of us know these things that me and Rama ma'am are talking about. You already know at that, right? But talking about it re-emphasizes it. It makes us more
Correct.
conscious, more connected towards it. So you are able to empower yourself to do it more and more and more. So I have also shared this YouTube channel link. You can subscribe to it, and also you can join this parents group. We'll keep sharing things there, and also we have started creating polls and things. Every day we will be sending something, and also in this YouTube we will be sharing few more things about this mindset. Also there are few videos that you can watch to understand more. The name of the course is my Brighter Minds. I am sharing my number here. You can connect, so I can brief you more about it. Yeah. So now second question I am going to take is how to control young children.
Yeah. So it is, see, first is that we, when we say control, right? Okay. It's basically.
Ma'am, sorry, I just missed one line. The question is how to control young children from spending too much time on cell phones, tablets, and YouTube, digital world.
Yeah. So this is something again where now children are getting addicted day by day. And ma'am, we have a separate webinar which we had done it for this also, correct? Yeah. We had done the webinar for this, how to, stop the screen and the brain time.
Yeah. So it is available on YouTube channel. Please subscribe and visit that's a very good webinar.
Yeah. So they can visit that. Secondly, since parent has asked the question, we will, will be ready to answer. When you want a child to get diverted from these, okay, just shouting at the child or making him saying that, I don't like the way you are spending your time, rather than, divert his attention completely. Introduce him to such kind of a social programs where the child will go learn, introduce the sports to him, so that his, involvement with the gadgets can be reduced, right? That is something which parents can take an immediate action. We don't know how old the child is, but since these programs are available for all age group children above age 5 onwards, so it is easily possible. And now the summers are coming up, so you can do that, and then automatically the child starts understanding what is good and what is not good, because this is something which everybody should learn in life, right? Nobody can, as a parent, we cannot be there with the children all the time. They have to take a conscious decision what is right, what is wrong. So these programs empower it, so the child will automatically start learning how much time to give it to the social media, or how much time to watch this gadgets, because ultimately this technology is going to be there around them and it's not bad, but then how much time and how to utilize it. Correct, ma'am? Yeah.
This guidance actually, and when we say guidance, and suppose as parent you will keep guiding, so children also don't take it very positively nowadays, especially teens, so these things in which you can work for their intuition, and also guidance from others will help, right, Rama? So next question I'll take fast. What is the how can one remove the negative mindset?
Yeah. So this is removing the negativity, right? So first is that change your language. First and the most important thing is that change your language. If you change your language, definitely it will change your mindset. That is the number one. Second thing is that, ma'am, if you want to overcome the negativity, right? You want to move to the path of the positivity or, growth mindset, then you need to have that kind of meditation practices also. Okay. Because, introspection is very important. Hovering around the things which you are dreaming, okay? You want the things to happen. So all these things are done through meditation, which Heartfulness has it. Relaxation techniques are available.
Practical techniques, yeah.
Practical techniques are there, and company matters a lot, right? So when you join such kind of practices, there are certain free of cost sessions which are there, ma'am, available online. There are apps also which are available. Parents should go for such kind of things where you automatically start thinking, and working on your mindset. So it automatically changes. As now Uma had given an idea, like drinking water. Okay, it's so important. Our entire body is of 70% of water, right? But getting that water at the right time is very important. So you need to give an awakening call to yourself and just jump into these practices. You will see the remarkable improvement in your own self. I had experienced in entire school, we used to practice this. We have transformed many children. I see them as successful individuals now, and it gives me an immense satisfaction, because the children, when we meet, we see how the plant has grown, how it has given transformed. So it's very, very.
Okay, ma'am. So one more question is, what is the necessity of Brighter Minds and how can we achieve it?
Now, name itself has meaning in that, right? Everybody likes the people who smile, right? Everybody likes to be in the company of the people who are expressive, who give you some kind of a motivation and who inspires, right? Brighter Minds, entire community, when you interact, when you see them, you will get inspired. You will get inspired. So you need to just watch, the videos or, their reels. You will get to understand how it is impactful. There is something good in everything, okay? But you need to have that eye and a lens to identify what is good in it. If you don't have that lens, then sorry. Okay, but I wish that how many parents are attending over here, more than 50 people are over here, they should develop this lens.
So ma'am, what I'll do, Aditya Joshi is one of the students I see here in the group. Aditya,
Okay.
are you here? If you are here, I would like you to put your video on and talk to us.
He's there, ma'am. I can see his name is there.
Yeah,
Aditya
his name is
Joshi.
here.
Hmm.
Aditya, are you here? So because these children also tell us how they got benefited, because see, nowadays many parents ask us, like few parents have asked me, when we were young we achieved everything like that only, why we did not do Brighter Minds. But see,
Those days were different.
those days were different. Now distractions are much more, concentration is decreasing, aggressiveness is going higher in children, overstimulation is there, and we need some tools, techniques, methods through which we can train the minds of our children. Our children's minds are sharper than what we were in their age, right? They are very sharp now. So much information is there. So they need those tools and techniques to concentrate, decide wisely, understand things in better way. Because now when my mom used to say wear this dress, I would go for it. But when I ask my son, he will ask me 10 questions. Why this? Why not this? Why to do that? Why to buy at all? So
Very
so
true,
many
very true.
questions. So children will not accept as it is. Children are different. Also your parenting should be different now.
Yes.
It cannot be the same. So that is why, because of so many distractions, because of so many things, they are sharper mind, but distractions are there. We need some tools, some methods, techniques, so that their energy can be channelized, so that their energy can be channelized in the right direction. Because mind training is happening all the time. If you don't do it in positive direction, it will happen in negative direction. That is So if you are doing so many things, why not to invest on these skills through which our children are wiser? Our children can take better decisions, can focus more, can do not only better in life, studies and sports, but also become better human beings. That is so important. So Aditya has opened his video. I think he got ready before putting the video on. Hi Aditya.
Hello, ma'am.
Aditya is a Brighter Minds student. I saw your name in the gallery, so I just invited you to speak about it. So the question is, what do you feel about Brighter Minds, Aditya?
Brighter Minds, I think it's an opportunity to show yourself that what can you do and increase your capability. So basically, about me for Brighter Minds, it is that it's a way to show yourself that what you can do more, or what opportunities you can do in life. So basically, I think it's for children who can show off their capabilities at a big stage, or at a big what at a big level.
Okay.
So they can unleash their potential. You
Yes,
want
yes.
to say, right? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So if there are so many things inside you, but it's up to you whether you want to nurture it or you want to just make it dormant. In
Yes,
like,
yes.
one thing is true: either you use it or you lose it.
Yeah.
Brighter Mind teaches only that uh, the efforts and the feelings and emotions under you have to show them or not.
Emotionally, you have to understand your own emotions, understand
Yes.
others. How to become better human being is very important. You should excel in life. So concentration, intuition, all these skills are worked on, but at the same time, balance it with being good human being. It's very important to care for people,
Yes.
understand their things.
Yes, ma'am.
So is your sister also around, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. She has also joined.
Where is she? I can't see her. Can she come here on your screen only and say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do it quickly because we are also getting late.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi Vishka, so you can share. The question is asked like what is the need of Brighter Minds? What do you get from Brighter Minds as a child?
So, ma'am, what I learned from Brighter Minds is how you can unleash your talent, how you can show your talent, how you can convert, your talent like in your better way, how you can conserve your ideas to the people, to communicate. I learned like how you can communicate to the people around you. Like
Very-
before doing Brighter Minds, I was not able to um, like my conversation was very low. I was not able to show my talent to in my school also. I was not able to show my talent, but after that, like I got the power. Like I can do this. You get to know that
So
what is inside you.
So you felt more confident to do.
Yes, ma'am. And it was Brighter Minds was like we had a lot of fun in Brighter Minds.
Fun is important. Yeah, children learn.
Fun-filled ways are very important because when children enjoy thoroughly, they'll learn more than what teacher is teaching at that moment. If I teach A in a loving and fun-filled way, that is where the role of facilitator is very important. When I teach A with love, Rama ma'am, you will resonate because you have been in this dealing with teaching community. Fun ways, loving ways. You teach child A, the child next time when child will come, the child will tell you A to C because you have inspired. Yes, inspire.
And it becomes very easy because learning is a process, ma'am. And learning is, how can you make somebody learn, right? It just doesn't happen if the environment is not there of such kind of a thing. It has to get digested very well, right? Whatever is around. So that's why some children find it academics very, very difficult, right? That is the problem. Ma'am, good to know about this, and I'm sure people will get inspired listening to our young kids.
Yeah.
I have just one message, ma'am, one message for everybody. Like, let us create an environment at home first and around, because the schools have a very limited time. School cannot do everything, so it's the families who have to take efforts, and then let the children feel safe, let them dream big, let them take risks, okay, and then bounce back gracefully. Okay, so this is something which is very important, where you can support, trust, and it's like a partnership between the children as well as the parents. So
in schools, they will never teach you mindset. School will teach you syllabus, but your life syllabus, which is most important, So, ma'am, one more child has joined and she can also contribute quickly. Tejasvi Shinde. Hi, Tejasvi. So you can unmute yourself and quickly share
Yeah.
whatever you want to share about the topic. What do you think about it?
Yeah, so I learned from Brighter Minds that how to concentrate on one thing, how to focus on one thing. And first, before Brighter Minds, I used to not remember so many things. After joining Brighter Minds, I got so much power, and then I used to remember so much things.
So you are talking about memory and concentration, huh? So you are feeling better in your studies?
Yeah,
It has helped you in your studies, huh?
helped me so much.
Thank you, Tejasvi. Thank you so much. So someone has written, can I get the recording? Yes, we will share the recording with you. One last question is asked by someone, ma'am. How to be the best version of yourself?
Oh,
The
Uh,
complete book. This is complete book.
yes, it's complete book, and I would say that when you want to give the best version of yourself, okay, you need to have a control on your mind and brain, right? Because best version has to come, okay. These are all, again I keep on repeating, these are the ones which is invisible. Brain is invisible, heart is invisible, but then you want the best to come out of you, you need to learn to meditate. And heartfulness has this technique. I am following that technique, and I really feel every individual should follow that. Then automatically the best will come out of you. Okay, because you will start introspecting, which is very, very important, and it will come out. It will come out. So you want, and efforts has to be there. So meditation is also an effort. When you close your eyes, I remember when I used to sit with Surbhi ma'am initially, when you close your eyes, you're not able to even, my some of the children is to not able to close the eyes. Even initially it was difficult for me. But now when we close our eyes, we are, involved into it ourselves. So let us do that. You will get the best out of you.
Great, ma'am. So we have one more little one who says he wants to speak. Monish Kolte. Okay, Monish, what would you like to say? Please unmute yourself.
I would like to talk. I'd like to say how Brighter Minds has helped me a lot. They taught me that I should focus on efforts, not results. We should never focus on results because results change according to our efforts.
Wow.
So this is why we should focus on efforts. Efforts, they don't change according to our results. For example, there was an exam and there were two children. One child attended the exam and cheated. He got top score. And another child, he attended the exam. He did it honestly, but he didn't get a good score. So which child did good? The one with better results or better efforts?
So it
Better
happened in
effort.
your class or what?
No, it was an example.
Okay.
Definitely the one who has taken the efforts, because he will have a confidence. And when the child will go to bed at night, okay, his inner conscious will tell him, okay, the consciousness is something as a soft pillow. Okay, so definitely that child it will keep on pricking him if he has done a copying and done that. Okay, because you cannot fool your mind. Okay, so it's very important that the child who has taken efforts, he will say, I will try more. Okay, not yet will be there in his dictionary. Yes, my dear, wonderful example you gave. We clap our hands for Monish.
Monish and all our children, our lovely children. And ma'am, when I was on their age, when I was their age, it was very difficult for me to speak in front of 10-20 people. But I would appreciate these children who are brave enough, courageous enough to share their views. They can put video on, talk to us, and we should at least clap for them, appreciate their efforts.
These children are, I again and again keep saying, God is creating a different kind of children nowadays. They are born with the chip. Okay, that's why the parenting techniques has to change. That's why such kind of a support and a help, we have to keep on taking it, right? Because everybody doesn't know everything. Let us approach to the right kind of a people, right things learn and implement in life. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, dear parents. If you get any questions further, if you get something in your mind, please feel free to share on the WhatsApp group. And someone has asked one more question, ma'am. Is there any similar program for 21? Yeah, we have program for youth. Please connect with us. For adults, for youth, for every age group, we have programs. Maybe I will share my number again. Please connect. And there are few programs, from In Brighter Minds, few programs in Heartfulness. Different kinds of programs are available. So based on your need, based on your requirement, please choose. But do something. I'm also sharing this WhatsApp group for parents. Please join that group. We'll keep sharing every day one important thing. And also our YouTube channel. You will get this recording. Someone has asked for recording also. So the recording of this webinar would be available on this YouTube channel later. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, children, for your kind words. Thank you, Rama ma'am. Thank you, dear parents. Thank you.
Happy Ram Navami to everybody. Thank you.
Oh, 1 minute. I'll take just 1 minute, ma'am. My team said that we should also have one poll. So I am just putting this poll today. Let's check ourselves. Would you be interested in a product for your child, for your kids, that adds the nutritional value of all the vegetables to a single meal without changing its taste?
Yes, it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
For us to think.
Yeah.
Just respond to this poll. So everyone is saying yes, sounds perfect for my child. Some people are saying maybe. I would like to know more about ingredients and safety first. That's also cool. No, I prefer giving fresh veggies, some people are saying. If it's yeah. Depending on the needs.
Absolutely correct. People should know about it, ma'am.
Yes. And also one more question, ma'am. That is our exit ticket. So
Yeah.
you just answer this thing. So 1 minute, I'm sharing this. So request your feedback and inputs, please. How do you feel about learning in today's session?
Yeah, let them give a reflection so that will help us.
Help us plan for the next webinar.
And 2 things I learned in today's session. So that we wanted the words to remember, right? Yeah. Even if they make any sentence or simple words where we said the culture needs to be developed, they can write it about it. And what topics do you want us to come to cover in the upcoming webinar? Yes, we are here to support the parents community. Practical difficulties which they face when handling the children, they should communicate to us. Ma'am, I'm sure this exit ticket you will share it on our group also, correct? Yeah. So here, so they can write it, and thank you.
So Mukundji is asking any specific program for confidence building, self-belief, handling one's emotion. Yes, Mukundji, you can please connect with us. I'll talk to you one-on-one, understand your requirement, and then suggest you.